अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, उम्मीद करते हैं आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। मेरे चैनल का नाम है साइंस प्रोस। आज की इस वीडियो में आपको हम हाउ मैनी प्लैनेट्स एंड गैलेक्सीज एग्जिस्ट इन यूनिवर्स के बारे में बताएं। लेकिन इससे पहले आप हमारे चैनल को लाइक करें, शेयर करें और सब्सक्राइब करें। हाउ मैनी प्लैनेट्स एंड गैलेक्सीज exist in universe? How many planets and galaxies exist in universe? It is estimated to be about 93 billion light years in diameter. The number of the galaxies in the observable universe is estimated to be about 2 trillion. If we assume that there is one planet per star in each galaxy, that there are about 2 trillion planets in the observable universe. However, this is just an estimate. People also ask how many planets and galaxies are in the universe, how many galaxies exist in the universe, how is the universe 93 billion light years. Here are there 12 galaxies, how many planets are in the universe. How many planets are there in the universe? In 1990, our only knew of the ones in our solar system. Today we know of thousands and that's just the tip of the iceberg. Thanks of the planet finding method like stellar wobble, the trainest method, direct imaging and microlensing, we know of thousands of planets beyond our solar system. Given the limitation of what we are able to see and the physics of how many planets are formed, we fully accept there are trillions of planets in the Milky Way alone. With an estimated 2 trillion galaxies in our observable universe, we can finally make up an accurate estimate of the total number of the planets. The enormity of the cosmic chances for life many surprise you. History. Although we now believe we understand how the sun and our solar system formed, this early view in an illustration only when it comes to what we see today. All we have left are the survivors. What was around in the early stages was far more plentiful than what survived today. A fact that is likely true for every successful stellar system and also failure stars in the universe. Each star within each galaxy contains its own stellar system, potentially its own set of the planets. For a long time we did not know how many of these stars actually possessed planets or what the likelihood of the planets of different masses were. Today, more than 300 years after the first planet was discovered, we are closer than ever of the understanding just how many planets populate our universe. The surface of the six different worlds in our solar system, from an asteroid to the moon to Venus, Mars, Titan, and Earth, showcase a wide diversity of the opportunity and histories. While Earth is the only bird known of it to host like these other worlds, may somebody someday expand our current understanding how frequently life arises. In the early 990, the first planetary detection around other stars arrived. If we want to know how many planets there are in the universe, one way to make such an estimate is to detect the planets to the limit of an observatory capabilities and then to extrapolate how many planets there would be if we viewed it with a limitless observatory. Although there remain a tremendous uncertainty, we can now safely say that the average number of the planets per star is greater than one. As planets orbit their stars, those stars orbit their mutual center of mass, creating wobbles in their motion. When a massive planet orbits its parent star, the star and the planet will both orbit their mutual center of the mass. Even if the planet is not directly observable, its presence orbital period and mass be uncertain angle of our orbital inclination and can be expressed simple by measuring the periodic motion of the parent star with the method of the Doppler spectroscopy. This stellar wobble or radial velocity reveals planetary masses and orbital periods up to an uncertain inclination angle. Today, experiments that cannot be directly seen or imagined can still be detected through their gravitational influence on their parent stars, which causes a periodic spectral shift that can be clearly obscured and made available. उम्मीद करते हैं दोस्तों आपको हमारी वीडियो पसंद आई। इस तरह की वीडियो देखने के लिए हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। थैंक यू सो मच।